Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Clear extension cord is probably one of the most versatile and discreet solutions for managing your indoor power needs, blending seamlessly into your home decor without the usual visual clutter of traditional black or white cords, making it an ideal choice for anyone who values both functionality and aesthetics in their living space. Number 5. TESSAN Tower Surge Protector 10 feet. This power strip expands one outlet into 8 AC outlets and 4 USB ports, allowing you to charge up to 12 devices at once. It's perfect for keeping your workspace tidy in your home, office, or dorm. Easily control your power supply with 2 independent switches located on top. This means you no longer need to repeatedly plug and unplug your devices. Note that the USB ports and indicator light are controlled by the switch directly above them. Its ultra-thin, flat plug design fits easily into tight spaces and can be hidden behind furniture, sitting flush against the wall. The 45 degrees right angle design also ensures it won't block other outlets. It offers fast charging with USB-A ports delivering 2.4A and a USB-C port providing 3A. These ports intelligently detect your devices to deliver the optimal charging speed, offering more convenience for your electronics. This power strip is equipped with overload, short circuit, and overcurrent protection. Its reliable on-off switch automatically shuts off to safeguard your valuable electronics, ensuring a safe and dependable charging experience. What we like? This power strip offers a high capacity with 8 AC outlets and 4 USB ports, including USB-C. Its tower design is great for maximizing outlet space in a small footprint. If you need to charge many devices simultaneously and want easy power management, this is the one for you. What people say. This unit is kept on the shelf above the drawer where it can be accessed very easily. I also love that this power strip includes 4 USB ports to charge tablets and my phone without having power cables running across my desk to plug them into USB charging devices. The 10-foot flat extension cord is a standout feature, offering generous reach while staying low profile enough to tuck behind furniture or run under rugs without creating bulk. Number 4. TESSAN Flat Plug Extension Cord 5 feet. This compact power strip expands your outlets to 4 AC, 1 USB-C, and 2 USB-A ports. It allows you to charge up to 7 devices simultaneously, significantly reducing your waiting time. It offers a total USB output of 15 W. Please note that charging multiple devices at once may slow down or pause the charging speed. This surge protector is equipped with short circuit and overcurrent protection. It effectively safeguards your valuable electrical appliances from power surges. Featuring an ultra-slim 0.31-inch flat plug, it fits easily into tight spaces behind furniture. The 45-degree right-angle design also creates more room for other plugs. With 4 non-slip rubber feet, it stays securely in place on your desk or nightstand. You can also mount it on the wall using the 2 integrated holes for added convenience. What we like? This compact power strip features a flat plug and a 5-foot cord, perfect for tight spaces. It includes 4 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, with 1 being USB-C. If you're looking for a discrete power solution for your nightstand or office desk, this option is ideal. What people say. The flat plug design delivers on its space-saving promise, allowing furniture to sit flush against walls without the protruding bulk that traditional plugs create. Outlet configuration provides adequate spacing for larger power adapters without blocking adjacent sockets. The ultra-flat plug design allows it to sit flush against the wall, so we no longer need to awkwardly pull furniture away just to fit a standard plug. Everything stays neat and in place. Number 3. Twin Extension Cord Power Strip. Tired of bulky plugs taking up valuable space? Our ultra-slim flat plug fits easily behind furniture, making the most of tight spaces. Reach any outlet with ease. This unique split extension cord offers 6 feet of cord on each end, providing flexible placement around your furniture. Need to charge multiple devices? It features 6 grounded outlets, 3 on each side, perfect for all your essential electronics. Charge your laptop, phone, lamp, and more simultaneously. It's the ideal solution for powering all your devices at once. With a low-profile, flush design, it meets safety standards and handles up to 13 amps and 125 volts. Use it anywhere you need extra power. It's ideal for your desk, nightstand, vanity, or any room in your home or office. What we like? This unique extension cord splits into two, offering 3 outlets on each side with a 12-foot reach. Its flat plug design makes it easy to hide behind furniture. If you need to power devices on both sides of a bed or couch, this offers great flexibility. What people say. Needed the cords to hang straight so I could cover them with cord covers for aesthetics. This cord makes it so much easier to utilize plugs that you can't reach easily. It does not stick out far from the wall, so it makes it easy to push up a piece of furniture, but still have access to a plug. Number 2. Sleek Socket Original Outlet Concealer. Now you can discreetly hide your entire outlet and cords, enhancing your home decor. This flat extension cord offers a sleek solution for managing cables, creating a clutter-free environment. It's perfect for powering devices up to 8 feet away in opposite directions. Less clutter, less hazards, and less obstacles. This ultra-thin device hugs the wall, blending in so you'll forget it's there. It's perfect for any room, enhancing visual appeal while managing your outlets. Simply attach it to the top receptacle of a duplex outlet like a traditional plug. This user-friendly design allows for quick and easy attachment without any tools needed. This kit comes with double-sided, removable adhesive strips and clips to neatly secure the cord to the wall. Enjoy a simple, cost-effective solution that keeps your cords organized and out of sight. It works with all standard duplex outlet sizes, featuring a round ground pin below the flat pins. This ensures a versatile fit for various outlets, making it easy to use with different setups. Not only will you eliminate clutter, but you'll also gain more usable outlets. This dual outlet concealer includes 2 3-outlet power strips, giving you more power where you need it. Designed in the USA by a family-owned small business, it meets the highest safety requirements with all applicable UL standard certifications. What we like. This innovative product hides your entire outlet and bulky plugs, blending seamlessly with your wall. It features dual 8-foot cords, providing power in opposite directions, and includes a cord concealer kit. If you prioritize a clean, clutter-free aesthetic and want to eliminate unsightly cords, this is the perfect solution. What people say. Helps keep furniture against wall and makes everything look more tidy. Plug fits tightly and is designed for receptacles with the ground pin up with the cord then pointing down. It comes with a cable raceway that makes everything look so sleek and tidy. Installed easily and sits flat against the wall. Get the 8 feet dual cord version, as 3 feet would be too short. Number 1. Sleek Socket Original Flat Outlet Concealer Kit. Tired of bulky, messy cords? This innovative kit discreetly hides your outlet and cords, blending seamlessly with your home decor. It's perfect for small spaces and behind furniture, creating a cleaner, more organized look. Say goodbye to ugly, unsafe plugs and cords. This ultra-thin device hugs the wall, virtually disappearing. It reduces clutter and potential hazards, making any room safer and more visually appealing. Installation is a breeze. Simply plug it into your existing outlet like a regular device. No tools or complicated DIY projects are needed, making setup quick and effortless for everyone. Keep your cords neatly organized and out of sight with the included adhesive strips and clips. This cost-effective solution ensures your cables are tidy and concealed, providing a simple and efficient way to manage them. Designed to work with all standard duplex outlets, it offers a versatile fit for various setups. Whether in the kitchen or behind furniture, it provides a reliable solution for a neat and efficient space. Not only does it eliminate clutter, but it also expands your power options. This kit includes a 3-outlet power strip, giving you more usable outlets while keeping your space tidy. Proudly designed in the USA by a family-owned business, it meets all applicable UL safety standards. You can trust in its quality and safety for your home. What we like. Designed for smaller spaces, this ultra-thin outlet concealer hides your plug and provides 3 additional outlets with a 3-foot cord. It's perfect for kitchens, small desks, or behind furniture where space is limited. If you're looking to declutter and gain extra outlets without the bulk, this is a great choice. What people say. Perfecto to hide cables, good design, everything I plugged works, good charging capability. Helps keep furniture against wall and makes everything look more tidy. Plug fits tightly and is designed for receptacles with the ground pin up with the cord then pointing down. It gives you the seamless look you want and the organization. That is my go-to. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.